Wait. Hi. Go out. Go home. Go home. Thank you, Blue. Good boy. Buster, go home. Go. Go home. Out. Thank you. Back up. Go home, Buster. Control your boyfriend, please. Thank you. Good boy. I gave you your girlfriend. You want to come back, Belle? He listens very well as far as dog body language for such a young dog. Thank you, Buster. Thank you. You can go eat. Just wait. Remember, wait. You can control the other dog too. Thank you. Good shake off. Are you done, Belle? You ready to come in yet? I see him, Blue. You coming? Belle, we're done. You want to come inside? Thank you. Let me go get Belle. Blue, wait. Belle. Come on, let's go inside, please. Thank you, Buster. Wait. Belle, come on. Let's go get warm. Come on, inside, please. Come on. Thank you, Blue. Belle. Diana's not here. She went to work. Come on, let's load up, please. Let's go home. Come on. Go home, Buster. Thank you, Belle. Go home, Buster. Go. Go home. Go home. Thank you. Good. Wait. Hi, I took your girlfriend. Off. Thank you. Wait. I know. Now you want to be protective? Thank you. Go away. Go home. Thank you. Wait. Out. Excuse you. You're okay. Wait. I'm gonna let him out. Wait, Blue. I'm gonna let him out. You ready? Blue, wait. Okay. Blue, out. Thank you. Ready? Come on, Belle. Let's go potty. Sorry, Buster. I don't want to say hi. Belle, out. You coming? I'm not saying hi. Come on, Blue. Let's go potty. For the 15th time. I already have a distraction, that is Belle and Buster. And Belle already doesn't like Buster coming up to the house, but see how they can still be somewhat friends afterwards? It's cold. I know, Diana went home, or she went to work. Come on, let's go potty. You wanna go see your friends? Go tell them you're here. Blue, go potty. Go ahead. Go. Thank you, Belle. Slow down. You're not going. Now you're getting annoyed. All right, you ready? Go potty, please. You ready? You're staying close. Are you done with Buster? All right. Come on. He's here. Me. Buster's over there. All right. Let's go get Buster. Let's go home. Sorry. You need a cuddle? All right. Belle, tell your boyfriend to go home. Buster, out. Tell your boyfriend to go home, Belle. She's kind of growling, actually. Blue, let's go inside, please. I'm using the tree to my advantage. I don't want to go over there. Because if we go over there and Blue doesn't want to, he's going to go all the way around. Come on, out, please. Go. I'm done. Go. Thank you, Buster. Thank you, Blue. Thank you, Belle. We're done. Come on. It's cold. It's cold. I don't want to. I don't want to. Thank you. Let's go.